Well, I guess it's time to fix the dart and that leaky fuel tank. Don't you think, Dad?
I would hope so before you kill the grass.
That's true. We got ourselves a new grommet, which I believe is what's leaking, so we're gonna oil that baby up, put it in place, get rid of that old dry rotted one, which should have probably replaced in the first place, but oh well. And we got a solution to the shifter. I can't explain why a star shifter don't work the way it should, but it's junk. I hate it. I don't care. Buddy Travis came by this morning, dropped off a B&M mega shifter. We got everything with a cable. It's pretty cool. This is exactly what I wanted to begin with. It actually works how it's supposed to. But got another buddy of mine, Michael Patterson, out in Las Vegas, who runs the Mopar's RB page. And by the way, go join that group if you want to on Facebook. Link is in the description, as it has been in every video. He sent me a brand new Hurst Pro-Matic shifter, which is like the B&M Quicksilver. Instead of having this little pull handle, you pull up on the whole handle. So if I like that, we're going to use it. If not, I'm going to send it back to him because it was a gift and I can't sell it on or nothing. I wouldn't feel right. Hopefully I like it. I don't want to hurt his feelings. But I do appreciate it, Mike. He also sells a bunch of stuff. Go check him out on the old Facebook and whatnot. So let's get this gas tank thing sorted out. Well, that was some fancy camera work. I guess let's fix this issue, Dad. Fixed. It's fixed, isn't it?
Yeah, fig, you threw it at it.
We threw new parts at it, and that's how it worked, don't it?
Yeah.
All right, let's go inside. It's still like 100 and some odd degrees outside.
Look here, you got 100-mile-an-hour silicone in there. How can it leak?
That's not the leak, though.
Oh.
It's the leak where it goes into the tank.
Well, at least it won't get in the trunk.
That's true. All right, well, I got that last stubborn bastard out. We're gonna replace those. But here's our offending pile of junk. Yeah, I probably should have went ahead and replaced that. Silicone does not substitute fixed. So we're gonna get all this silicone off of our gas tank right here on the edge and get that new one in there, and hopefully that solves the problem. We're always gonna clean this baby up because it's pretty dirty. Get that cleaned up, and I'll show you guys when we come back. Alrighty, fellas and gals, whichever you are, however you identify, we have our seal here. And before we go just ram horning it into the gas tank, we're gonna give her a little bit of PB Blaster, just way she gets kind of soft, a little soaky. That way it sits in there nice and easy. And then we're gonna get the inside of this kind of lubed up so when we put the filler neck in, it don't tear, grab, or nothing like that. Isn't that right, Dad?
That's right.
Hell yeah. Let's do this. He's all dark, like the same color as the dirt. Look, Dad got himself a new pet. What's his name, Dad?
Toady.
Toady? And what'd Toady do on your shovel?
Peed on my shovel.
Yeah. He's gonna ride around your shirt pocket everywhere you go?
No, I don't want warts.
They don't give you warts, Dad. It's a freaking wives' tale. Let's go put Toady somewhere in the back over there where he'll be happy. Back that far. It's poison ivy back there. Well, it appears he don't want to be evicted. Go, Toady. There he goes. All right, back to work. All the way back up there.
Don't nail it together, son. Don't nail it.
Why not?
Well, stuff it in there and bend it over.
Put your nails in, and then focus on putting the screw in.
Kind of why I brought you a couple nails.
I didn't realize that afterwards. Remember, Dad, I'm still technically a millennial.
I'm sweating like a fat hog.
I'm sweating like a whore in church. Which one sweats more?
What was that new one I had? I'm sweating like a faggot eating a hot dog.
I can't put that on YouTube. You're sweating like the Pope at a youth convention.
I don't know about that one either.
I always remembered about your comment, Dad, about the what'd-you-do and the hot dog.
Mm-hmm.
YouTube ain't paying me that much anymore, so I don't really give a damn what they think about what I say.
There you are.
Here we go.
And there you go.
Well, let's throw more parts at it. Alrighty, there it is, all sealed up. We put some silicone around there where the little hole was right there because this thing didn't line up very good. We got a brand new screws in there. But silicone on that one, that's fine. Check out our handiwork. Oh yeah, hopefully that don't leak. So I think after we get our new shifter in the mail and we get it installed, we'll take this thing out for a old rundown and then do some valve work because those valves need adjusted. And I think I'm gonna go help Dad finish up, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ha! Changed my mind. Screw the shifter change. We're gonna take this thing down to the gas station right now and see if we fixed it. Yard Dart full-on test drive, part 2, except now we're waiting on a piece of shit Toyota. God dang it, get out of the road. We got a Yard Dart. We got a Yard Dart that needs gas. Woo! Well, here it is, guys and gals, moment of truth. Are we gonna leak again, or are we not? Damn, she was actually pretty full. And we're not leaking. That's amazing. Well, as it turns out, the old dirt wasn't as empty on gas as I thought she was. And she's not leaking yet, so that's a good thing. Just let you know. Dry as a whistle. There, we got something up front. Oh, there's a leak. There's a leak. Where's that from? It don't matter. Screw it, don't care. street, out of the road. All right, so check this shit out. We're in second gear. Watch the handle. Watch this. You gotta barely, like that much. There. B&M, get your shit together. Fix that shit. It's stupid. See, we're like 1200 RPM at 35 mile an hour. Yep, 1232. Wow, that's pathetic. Oh God, we're rubbing the back tire. I gotta say, it's gotta be about the most successful test drive in the Dart. I'm glad to be driving her. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. I'll show you more in the next episode of the epic chronicling of the Yard Dart. All right, guys, well, I changed my mind. We're not going to end the video just yet. I'm going to show you some stuff we got in the mail. That video was a couple days ago when we did the Dart and all that stuff. So I want to show you what we went and got in the mail and what we just picked up for this thing. You don't know what that is? Do some research. But show you our new tires. Just picked these babies up for 180 bucks. Like new. Mickey Thompson, bias ply, ET Streets. Soft sidewall, 12, let's see, what are they, 28, 12, 5, 15. So a little bit smaller than what we got right now, but those ought to work beautifully. Those things are freaking kick ass. So now we just got to get ourselves some bias ply front runner so we don't die, but you never know. But let's go inside and show you what we got in the mail. What is that, Captain? What is that? You don't know? That's a B&M Mega Shifter, bud. That's our shifter for my buddy Travis. I traded him some charger parts for his ratty General Lee he's building. We got our AMD 4-speed hump in for Jezebel, which, funnily enough, I think I still got it somewhere. This bad boy, made in Taiwan. Huh. Nice. But here we go. This is the shifter that my buddy Mike Patterson sent me. It is a B&M, or not a B&M, a Hurst Promatic 2. So let me unbox this and show you what it's all about. I'm gonna go ahead and open this box because that's alluding to a future project. By the way, anybody looking for concealed and carryable weapons? The Taurus 605 357 Magnum, perfect weapon for self-defense. Oh yeah. All right, well, there it is, our Promatic 2 shifter. Let me set you up. I like this thing. Actually, I was kind of iffy on it at first because I didn't know if I was gonna like the way it shifted versus the Mega Shifter. So how it works is you're in park right now, you pull up on it, that's reverse, and then you wait, there we go, that's neutral, and then you push down on it, and then you ratchet. And I love that. I kind of like that. This thing feels really nice and beefy. Only downside is that the base is cracked, but what do you expect? I can fix that. But the lens is gone. Mike, where's the lens at? We need the lens. So probably make something there because the little arm's right here. So yeah, I mean, literally you're in first gear and and then going to neutral by accident. Then you blow up your engine. So you're like crap. Then you throw it in reverse. Then you blow up your transmission. And you throw it in park so that way you skid to a stop. And then we got our big old son of a gun here, our ratchet shifter, which, you know, it's literally just the T handle. You pull up on it and then you're in reverse. No, that's way easier. And you go, I mean, this one's probably a little safer, but yeah, there they are. So we got our shifter options. So whichever one I don't use, I'll probably go into a future project. But you know, I was really iffy on this thing, but I actually kind of like this. It's a lot simpler mechanism, and I mean, it feels kind of bulletproof. And hey, look at that! It's got the switches for probably neutral safety, which I removed off this one because they were actually interfering. This thing's a whole lot heavier. And I really like this boot system they have on this guy. So maybe we'll put the boot on here or something. We'll figure something out. But there's everything for the dart. I was going to show you what's in this box, but you know what? I think you can wait. That's a long-term project I'm building, so. Anyways, guys, as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little itty-bitty dart video and this little bit of unboxing stuff. And we're going to close off on... What are you doing, bud? Are you eating? Say like. Say comment. And subscribe. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.